I get a common question: what to eat before a workout and after a workout. So we're gonna assume for this example that it's a regular gym workout. So before, there's things to consider. Number one, how much storage do you have in you? Because if you have stored fat and glycogen and you've got a lot of storage, you don't need to do anything before. What I like to do before personally, and this is optional, is have a bit of caffeine, a cup of coffee, a pre-workout supplement, or things like that. That's not healthy for everybody, so don't take that as recommendations for you specifically. But the other thing is, for somebody who's doing good with nutrition, you might be running out of carbohydrates, you might be loading up the protein and keeping the fat regular, and you need some carbs to get through the workout. I would say 20 grams of carbs and 20 grams of protein before the workout. And to keep track if you hit the wall or not, because if you don't have carbs to make it through your workout, you'll hit the wall, so to speak, and you'll feel like you have zero energy, you'll be grumpy, irritable. Get through the workout, you need enough carbs. The important thing is the branching of the carbohydrates and protein. You'll see people having branched chain amino acids, because if you don't have enough protein and carb in you while you're working out and you hit the wall, you could be eating your own muscle to exercise. So that's extremely important. You want to have the branched chain amino acids, leucine, isoleucine, valine. They're all available in whey proteins and regular supplements. So after the workout, minimum 20 grams of protein. I would have a regular meal if you can. Have a post-workout fun meal, make sure it's healthy, but 20 grams of protein minimum. I'll go for 40 at least, just with my body, what your goal is. And then between 20 and 50 grams of carbs, depending on your program. And I would say not more than 10 grams of fat. Try to have the plant-based, so-called good fats. Hope that was helpful. Thank you.